Let's take a look at saving a project while working in Violet Builder 7. Now, I highly recommend immediately after converting your screenshots to slides or before doing any project editing, save your file. To do this, click Save to open up the Save Project As dialog window. In the project name field, give your file a name. For example, let's call this one Audio Basics. Then select a format for your file. By default, Violet Builder 7 Enterprise will use a QVPX format for our project. That will allow us to open it not only in the Enterprise version, but also in Violet Builder 7 Professional Edition. If your project has quiz questions or any type of assessment slides in them, you might opt to save it to the VIEX format. That way, you can also open it in Violet Quiz 4 if needed. For this particular example, we'll use the QVPX format. The project folder is the location where you will save your project. By default, it will save it in My Documents, Violet Builder 7 Projects folder and create a project folder there. But you can browse and choose a new location if you want to. Again, for this example, we'll go ahead, we'll click Cancel, and we'll save it to the default location. Now down here you can read up on the project structure folder format that's created for your project when you save your projects for more information. If you don't want to see these details each time you save your projects, you can go ahead and hide them. We'll go ahead and show these details though for this example, and then once we're ready we click OK. Once we save our file, the title is reflected in the title bar while we're working in Violet Builder 7, as you can see up here. Now let's go ahead and minimize this and actually take a look at the project folder we just created. Now again, it's saving it in the path by default to My Documents, Violet Builder 7 Projects folder, and it created a project folder called Audio Basics. Again, you can save it anywhere you want. Here's where we save it to the default location. So this is a project folder it created. Let's open this up. And as you can see, it's created a QVPX file as well as a resources folder. When saving a Violet project in Violet Builder 7, the project will be separated into this QVPX project file and a resources directory or folder that contains, let's open this, all of the elements such as the content, the sound, the video, the image files, etc. that make up your Violet Builder 7 project. Let's go back up here and look at these two items again. So the advantage of a QVPX file is that it is much faster to open and save and can handle much larger content. Now this QVPX file here, it's a standard XML file format. So that means it can be edited directly in a text editor. However, since the QVPX works with its resources folder and is a collection of files, it is more difficult to share with coworkers. You can't just provide like a co-author the QVPX file itself without the resources folder, because if they try to open this in Violet Builder 7, it needs all of the resources to successfully load the entire project. However, you can use the archive tool in Violet Builder 7 to zip up both the QVPX file and its related resources folder into a single QVP file to share with co-authors. So for more information, please check out the tutorial on archiving a project if you need to do that. But when saving a project, that's pretty much all there is to it. For more information on this particular topic or any others while working with Qarbon's products, please visit us online at qarbon.com. That's QARBON.com. Happy violeting!